Storm Eowyn brings fierce winds to Britain and Ireland. The storm had knocked out power to more than 500,000 utility customers by early Friday as it moved across Ireland. Damaging gales from the storm, which is named Eowyn, are expected throughout Friday, with the strongest winds forecast for parts of Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, and northern and western areas of England and Wales. Wind gusts between 60 and 70 miles per hour are forecast, and gusts of up to 100 miles per hour are possible around the hills and coasts of the Irish Sea, as well as southwest Scotland.
Right, Arthur, this tree just fell down there and I just drove past it because this is dodgy. People shouldn't be here. There's fucking that, as you can see. Fucking hell.
Some forecast models suggested gusts up to 120 miles per hour for the west coast of the Republic of Ireland, equivalent to the sustained wind speeds of a Category 3 hurricane. By early Friday, the storm had already brought record winds to the Irish coast. At 5 a.m., a gust of 114 miles per hour was recorded at Macehead, County Galway, beating a previous national record of 113 miles per hour set in 1945. ESB Networks, a state-owned power company, said Friday morning that extreme, damaging, and destructive winds had caused widespread disruption to Ireland's electricity network. More than 560,000 customers were without power as of 6 a.m., it said. That is almost a quarter of the around 2.4 million total customers, ESB Networks lists on its website. The intensity of Storm Eowyn prompted the United Kingdom's Meteorological Office to issue its most severe red wind warnings for Northern Ireland and central and southwest Scotland. It warned of very dangerous conditions with widespread disruptions and significant impacts. This is the first red wind warning issued for Northern Ireland since the Met Office moved to impact-based warnings in 2011. The Irish Meteorological Service issued equivalent top-level wind warnings for the whole country on Friday. Rain is also expected, as well as snow in the hills of Scotland, northern England, and Northern Ireland. The Met Office has been naming impactful storms since 2015 with its storm, naming partners Met Irene, the Irish Weather Service, and the Royal Netherlands Meteorological Institute during the autumn and winter seasons. This storm's name was chosen by the Dutch Weather Service, which took suggestions from members of the public.